Hello, our video tutorial for today is about how to make a chatbot inside the Messenger app or how to set up. So to set up, let us use this website, chathero.co, as our main site to utilize and develop our chatbot. If you have an account, you can just log in, or if not, you can get started for free and avail some features, limited features, because this is based on subscription. Most apps do. So let us just log in. So after logging in, what you need to do is link your Facebook account and our access our pages. So here, my account or my Facebook account is already linked. You just need to add Facebook account. After linking it, your pages and other groups will just appear here. So in my case, the page that I need to create a chatbot is the Shishirasto, which is my dummy account. That is just for an example. So after linking your social account, what we need to do is go to our e-commerce store. So waiting because the internet is somehow lagging. Next step, what we need to do is create store. So this website is actually limited because this is just, so we can only create a few stores. I guess one or two stores are allowed in creating the free plan of this site. So you just need to fill out this data. So in select page, you just need to click the page that you want to have. And then next is we need to upload the logo, which is the logo in our Facebook. Then input the terms of service and the refund policy and create store. After creating the store, we need to go to this gear. In this gear, everything must be set up and configured. So after creating our store, we need to go to our checkout settings. In the checkout settings, we just need to fill in the data about our payment. So here, the payment options, you just click whatever suits your store or whatever is applicable. In my case, it's manual checkout. Then the currency, the delivery preference, it actually depends on you on what preferences you have. And just save. Don't forget to save everything you do because it's not being auto-saved like some other sites or apps. After the checkout settings, we will go to the appearance settings next. So in appearance settings, this is how your store color is. How will people view it? So in my case, I choose orange as it is the same color with the store that I'm making a chatbot. So don't forget to save it. You have filled the data needed. So you can also change the font style. It actually depends on you. After that, to check if the appearance is better to look at. You can visit your store here. Just click this is one and see if it's orange. Yeah, there you go. So this is how it looks. After the appearance settings, you just need to fill this set. You just need to set this up, everything until the confirmation and reminder. You just need to configure everything to set up your chatbot in your Messenger app. So business hours, it actually depends on what days are open. You can set this up here. And again, don't forget to save. Everything must be saved. So that's just it. That's the basic. Actually, what will take most of your time in setting up this chatbot is filling in the products. We will check this. So in the products, every products or items you have, you need to add it here. So actually it takes quite of your time if you have a lot of products being sold or being produced. So you just type the product name, whatever your product name is, the price, if you have sale price, which category, its attributes, and the product description, the photos, which of course you need to have a better quality of photos to appear a very appealing visuals to your customers. And again, don't forget to save. So that's just it. That's the basic setup of our chat hero in making our chatbot inside the messenger app. That's just the part one. So that's just it.